Pranams everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about Surya Bhedana, and in the next one, we will talk about Chandra Bhedana. So coming to Surya Bhedana, how is this practice done? First, sit in a comfortable posture. The ideal posture for doing pranayama is Vajrasana, but I understand the asana itself can be quite challenging when you're sitting for long duration of time. And in pranayama terms, because I already told you pranayama don't practice for more than 10-15 minutes, Vajrasana can be quite challenging to sit for that long. So it's alright if you are unable to sit in Vajrasana, sit in a cross-leg posture, any meditative posture that you have been practicing, but ensure that your spine remains straight. Alright? Okay, so fix your posture. Left palm is in Chin Mudra. Right palm is in Nasika Mudra. How do you do Nasika Mudra? You fold your forefinger and your middle finger like this, and we use our thumb and the ring finger to block each nostril. So we use the right thumb to block the right nostril and the ring finger to block the left nostril. Now this can get challenging for some of us. If you're finding it difficult to fold and hold, if it is getting too much, then simply keep these two fingers up. You don't have to touch the forehead, but lift it up. And then use the thumb and the ring finger to close and open. If this is also difficult, simply use the thumb and the forefinger like this. Okay? As you practice, you yourself will naturally progress to Nasik Mudra. Traditionally, we have to use the Nasika Mudra for the practice of pranayama. Clear? So the mudras are clear. Chin Mudra, where you bring the thumb and the forefinger. The other three fingers have to be closer to each other. There shouldn't be any gap. Not like this, it has to be like this. And there shouldn't be any gap between the ring finger and the forefinger as well. No gap. Okay, form a circle with the forefinger and the thumb like this, and then rest it on top of your left knee. So mudras are clear. Now let us understand how to do Surya Bhedana. Sit straight, keep your eyes closed. First listen and then you can practice. Nasika Mudra on my right palm. My shoulders and elbows are relaxed. I will close the left nostril and inhale through the right nostril. Close the right nostril and exhale from the left nostril. Again, you will close the left, inhale from the right, close the right, exhale from the left. Clear? So what happens? The inhalation is always from the right nostril and exhalation from the left. Keep all the steps of diaphragm breathing in mind while you practice. How did we do diaphragm breathing? The rib cage has to expand and contract. Same thing applies here as well. No sound when you breathe in or breathe out. So don't breathe like this. So there shouldn't be any sound when you breathe in or breathe out. Don't breathe in parts. It should be one single breath in and one single breath out. And lastly, no sound when you breathe in or breathe out. Breathe as quietly as possible. So please keep these steps in mind. I will not be repeating this for Chandra Bhedana. It applies. And the same points have to be remembered for Anulom Vilom as well. To repeat, inhalation is always from the right nostril and exhalation from the left nostril. Practice this for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Don't have to keep a count, then the mind goes into the count. How many rounds am I doing? So forget about the count. Keep a timer. Fix a timer for 3 minutes or 5 minutes and then start your practice. And keep your mind with the breath. Observe how the breath is going in. Try to observe which route that breath is taking, how is it curving and how is it coming out. Keep observing the breath as you do the practice. This observation of the breath makes the practice deeper. Alright? So happy practicing. And in the next video, I will talk to you about Chandra Vedana. Thank you and Namaste.